Would you like to spy on your competition? This is the really cool thing to do, to spy on your competition, what your competition are doing. Or maybe you want a keyword, the best keyword search tool in the world for free. Free keyword search tool, best spying technique. I'm gonna show you for free how you can spy on your competition, or how you can even know what keywords your competitors are taking and using, where they are locating, where they're driving traffic from. This is, guys, amazing, shocking news. It's not my stuff. I will just introduce you to the world's #1 spying, knowing. It's more powerful than the Siri, actually. So it's called, let me show you guys, it's called Amazon's Alexa. Let me just take this one closer. I want to show you something. Let me just move this stuff closer a little bit. Okay, because I want to see. This is my office here. Here I'm working with my dropshipping stuff. This is one Amazon stuff. There is on the eBay stuff, actually. This is now my course there. That's how I'm working. But now I will introduce you to this stuff here. I'm gonna show you very close. Just let me do something. Let me take the screen and turn around. Okay, I will turn around the screen. You can show much better now. All right, so this is what you can see on the screen. Guess who is here? You can see the site. This site ranks 2000 in number 2. You can see that this is the site. I put it here, YouTube. Let's say I just randomly put it here, YouTube. If you put enter, so the ranking, the Alexa says the YouTube ranks in a global, if you can read here, in global internet engagement, number 2. Guess who is 1? Of course, Google. Okay, now you can type in here, for example, your competition. What is my competition? I want you to share my competition. My competition, I got already here, the competitors. This is me. This is one of my competitors. This is another competitor. I just want you to give you the real amazing look inside, behind the curtains. Let's say about the dropshipping. I will start from this end here. This is the one of the competition I have. It's called Dropship Lifestyle. This Dropship Lifestyle is one of my biggest competitors, and they claim to be the huge one and the number 1 in the world. So, okay, so I will gonna copy this one, their URL. I copy URL, and I'm just showing you what you can do, and paste their URL here. Okay, enter. And site rank here, as you can see, the site ranking global internet engagement are 41,000. Let's just keep the 1,000 and the number 41,000 site ranks. Okay, so we did this with the how to start online. Okay, those are they claim to be big guys. Okay, cool. Take them off. Now the next one, probably you know already, it's a DSM tool. Okay, I do the same. Let me just guess who is better, this lifestyle dropshipping or DSM tool. Copy the site. I go back to where is it? Competitive sites here. Okay, I take away them and I replace with DSM tool. DSM tool, and I put the enter. Let's see what the Alexa says. This site ranks 41,000. Well, which is actually, if you go back, 41,000, just few dozens change, almost the same. Their ranks almost the same, right? Okay, so DSM tool, we take it out. Take next competition is a Sales Freaks. Oh, they won't subscribe. No, sorry, I will not gonna subscribe you, because I will show to the public. Is it worth to subscribe to you? Copy. Guys, you can save a tons of money. You can just This is the craziest tool what Amazon created. Now, Sales Freaks. Enter. How do you run Sales Freaks? Wow, 5 million, 7,000, oh my gosh, this is, this is how many times worse. Sales Freaks, the guy from the Sales Freaks who claimed to be the bestseller million maker in 5 million in a global internet engagement. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you feel do you need anything to prove? Okay, it's just the Sales Freaks. Okay, I can't stop laughing about when I see those guys. I will take away those guys. What's the next? Next one here is Dropshipping Titans. Those are actually the same guys what the Sales Freaks you can see now on my screen. The Dropshipping Titans even don't care about using Shopify properly. They can't cut out the picture. Guess what they do with their screenshots when they show you their incomes? Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just, you don't have to trust me. Okay, just copy and paste Sales Freaks on Alexa. And if I don't have to prove you anything, just let's say Alexa, enter what the Sales Freaks, no, what the Dropshipping Titans are. Wow, 400,000 ranks, this site ranks on the 400,000. Oh, okay, well, at least better than the Sales Freaks, okay, but 1/4 from the DSM tool. So now those guys claim to be the best ones also, they are just. By the way, if you are not familiar, then this body here, they work together with the Sales Freaks and they affiliate each other, and that's why their message is the same. And actually, you have to, you always go and find out what the people are saying on YouTube, on Facebook. It's one thing, but when you take the Alexa here, okay, they are not lying. They are not lying. People always lie, but they are not lying what it is. Okay, so now you wonder what about me? Let me just show you about me as well. So those are my courses. Here is all my courses are here, and let me take just one of my courses, for example. Let's say $7.99, which is the most popular, life-changing, exploding on the internet. And this is my best-selling course. Okay, I will do the same. Well, copy. Let me just copy the title. Copy title and go, not title, but the URL, and go to the place here. Enter. Okay, and enter. Wabana! 4,000. Well, it's not the first, it's not the second like YouTube, but 4,818 site ranks in global internet engagement. My $7.99. Okay, so let's go back. I will click button here back, this button back, and now we came to the who is this? Dropshipping Titans. 400, which is about 400 less engagement than my $7.99. Okay, cool. Now let's go a little bit, click here back again, this button back again, and now we became Sales Freaks. Sales Freaks was those guys who work together with the Dropshipping Titans, and they rank on by Alexa in global internet age 5 million. I don't know where they are. Maybe they are not existing anymore, but that's what they. Okay, one more. DSM tool, 41,000. Okay, not bad, not bad. Comparing, not bad, right? So, one more time back there, click this one, and this was what? Dropship Lifestyle, 41,000 again. So, guys, this is interesting. Just switch the screen back. Now it's just, I just show you how it is in reality. I can lie to you. Those guys can lie to you when the Facebook and YouTube gurus out there and taking their screenshots here, all of them can lie to you. Alexa will not gonna lie to you. You can type in the keywords here. You see that on the left side here, you can see probably now it's too far, but on the left side there is a keywords analysis. I can go inside the DSM tool and Alexa will gonna show me what organic keywords DSM use and what paid keywords they use. Okay, it's crazy. And it's free for 14 days. You can use that tool, free tracking, spying tool on your competition. And most exciting is you can get to know the truth. Okay, it's kind of like Alexa is taking away the power from online gurus who are claiming to be the superstars out there. My stuff is the best, my stuff is the best. Now you saw, and now probably you know why this one here, well, I want to boost, of course I want to boost, because this stuff here, what I just showed you, this stuff here, right? This stuff here, $7.99, outranks any of them, even combine them. That's because my $7.99 students are doing so good, because I don't pay paid ads. I don't pay paid ads. If you go to my YouTube channel, what you will gonna see on my YouTube channel, I don't want to go to the YouTube channel now, but what you will gonna see in my YouTube channel, because you are on the YouTube channel right now, probably you saw the advertising before my videos, because I'm ranking so good on Google, and those guys, they want to put their advertising before my videos on YouTube. Let them do this. Anyway, that's cool, that's nice, I'm happy, because I'm not lying to you. Alexa was saying the things about the truth, okay? Now, when you want to enroll in some kind of like training, maybe you have to think twice. Okay, thank you for your attention. Use Alexa and don't believe what people are telling. Okay, believe Alexa. It's worth. It will gonna save your money and fortune and life and struggle and headache. Take care. Bye bye.